These Instagram influencers have millions of followers, and some of them make thousands of dollars for a single post. But what if I told you, not all of them are real? Yes, some of these influencers are 100% AI generated. No real person behind the screen, and they're still pulling in crazy engagement. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create your own AI influencer using PicLumen AI, design a consistent character, and place them in different environments. So, stick around until the end, because who knows, your AI star might just go viral. Before going to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the notification bell icon. Okay, let's go to the video. First, let's create the face of our AI influencer using PicLumen AI. This tool is a game changer. You only need to type a simple prompt, and it'll generate ultra-realistic AI images. Let me show you how. Click the link in the description to head over to the PicLumen AI homepage, and hit the Launch App button and sign up using your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Create tab. Now, to generate our AI influencer's look, we need to type a prompt. You can come up with one yourself or make it easier by using ChatGPT. Head over to ChatGPT and type, "Generate a short prompt to create a natural-looking Instagram model girl using PicLumen AI." Hit Enter. Then copy the generated prompt and paste it into PicLumen AI's prompt box. Next, choose the AI model for image generation. PicLumen offers various models, but I'm going with the Art V1 model. It's one of the best for creating ultra-realistic images. Then, we can select the aspect ratio of our image. Here I am generating images for the Instagram, so I am keep aspect ratio as 1:1. Now, decide how many images you want to generate. With the free plan, you can generate up to 2 images. If you upgrade to the Pro plan, you'll unlock extra features like adjusting the scale, using custom seeds, and adding negative prompts. Once everything is set, hit the Generate button, and in just a few seconds, PicLumen AI will create your images. Here are the results. 2 stunning AI models. I'm going with the second one. To download it, simply click the Download button. Now, let's make our AI influencer versatile by placing them in different environments while keeping the character consistent. For this, we'll use PicLumen's image reference tool. Click the image icon and upload the model we just downloaded. After uploading, click on the image and select the image reference type. We can choose the content reference type to create an image like the reference image. Next, style reference option to generate an image in a similar style, and in the end, character reference type to create similar character images. Here we need to keep the same character, so we are choosing character reference option. You can also adjust the strength. If you set it lower, the AI gets more creative. A higher strength keeps it closer to the original character. I'll set it slightly to the right for a balanced result. Now, let's enter a prompt. I'm going with a girl sitting in a cozy coffee shop. Select the Art V1 model again and hit Generate. And here we go. 2 beautiful images, both with the same facial features, hair color, and style as our original AI influencer. Let's try another one. I'm using the same reference image but changing the prompt to a girl on a luxury penthouse balcony overlooking a city skyline. After hitting Generate, the results are amazing. Once again, consistent character design, but in a brand new setting. The best part, PicLumen AI is completely free and still delivers these high-quality results. But that's not all. PicLumen AI has some extra features you will love. Using the Remix option, you can generate more images in a similar style. If you want to upscale your image for higher quality, that's available with a Pro account. Plus, there's a Remove Background tool that erases the background from your image in seconds. And it also has so many other cool features. Let's try out this background removal option. Just one click and the background is gone, with the image quality still looking flawless. Also, you can try out other styles like fantasy style or cartoon style images. For example, I'm using a prompt like this. If you're wondering about all the prompts I've used in this video, don't worry, I've uploaded a document with every single prompt to my Telegram channel, so you can use them directly without the hassle. The link is in the description. Now, let's select the Art V1 model and hit Enter. And here it is, a high-quality, fantasy-style image generated in seconds. It's that simple. So, now you've seen how easy it is to create your own AI influencer using PicLumen AI. You can design your character, place them in any environment, and turn them into a social media sensation, all without needing a real person. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you want me to dive deeper into other AI tools. Who knows? Your AI influencer could be the next big thing on Instagram.